Today in the garden we removed some of the bigger Colocasias. Some of them have become giant sized. And then one thing we can observe from this, roots are not much shallow, it's quite the surface roots only. This part. But leaves are quite fat and they store moisture. And then the main stem is also quite fat and it holds plenty of moisture here. There will be a corm also underneath. This is the one. This one. So, idnond ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎತ್ತು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀಯಾ ಬಾ. So here also moisture will be there, and then the leaves, each leaf is so huge and it's full of moisture. So not much rain has come on to our garden area so far, but when it rains, the surface roots nicely pick up the surface moisture and store it here. ಹಂಗೆ ನೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹಿಡಿ. ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಷ್ಟು ತೂಕ ಇರ್ಬೋದಾ ಇದು? 15 kg, 15 kgs approximately of mainly water. If you dehydrate it, there will be nothing in this. So 15 kgs of water is stored in these huge leaves. So when you have one of these plants, it is actually stocking about 15-20 kgs of moisture in the topmost superficial layer of the soil, and that is available to the ground layer because these plants are preserving that much moisture. So in a rain-fed area also with little shade, planting these Colocasias will add lot of moisture to the top 1 feet of the soil. And also these big leaves, they provide lot of shade that prevents the sunlight from directly accessing the ground. So evaporation also will be less, and the coolness and ambience is created inside the garden like this. All these Colocasias, they add lot of they'll be breathing out moisture, so temperature also will be regulated and improved. Then moisture level in the air also will increase, and in the ground level also top 1 feet of the earth will hold more moisture if you have these Colocasias and all. ಆಯ್ತು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಭಯಂಕರ ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ನೀರು ಹಿಡಿದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ ಇದು ಸರ್ಫೇಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಂ ಈಗ ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಒಣಗ್ತಾ ಬಂದು ರಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ತುಂಬಿಟ್ಕೊಳತ್ತದು. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬುಡದಲ್ಲಿ ತಂಪಾಗೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಇದು ನಾವು ರಪ್ಪಂತ ಎಳೆದಿರೋದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ. ಮತ್ತು ರಸ ತುಂಬಿದ್ದು ಬೇರು ನೋಡು, ದಪ್ಪ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ಪಂಜ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಭಾಗ ಟಾಪ್ ಸಾಯಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಯಿಶ್ಚರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.